have the opportunity to pull up.
Fucking hell, Ray!
You know what gun you should invest in next?
What?
A GoPro Hero 10.
Oh my God, it's Albert Einstein.
Which way? Which way? Go! Slow that shit down. Okay. Go. Got him. Hey. Hey. Oh shit! Hey. There. Got him. Might be one posted on the hard left. Oh, wait. Hey.
Bro, come on.
Shut up!
Oh, dude, there's a BB in my shoe already. What the fuck?
Dude, first game.
I'm wearing high fucking boots. Dude, there's already a BB in my fucking shoe.
Are you gonna get it out right now?
No. I am gonna.
Just make it more manageable.
Dude, why is there a BB in my shoe?
How does that even happen? One down. Hey. Woo. Coming out. How is there a BB in my mask? How's that even possible? What the fuck?
Oh my God.
Chase, we lost the Thunder Bee. Chase!
I understood that reference.
Come on, we're gonna take that room.
All right.
Let me take point, get a Thunder Bee ready.
Capture the objective.
Never mind.
All others are dead. It's up to you. Terrible effort. Regroup and rearm.
There goes Dylan.
Fuck that, let's follow him.
All right.
Where the fuck is this?
Parlay? You good?
I'm watching the door. Oh, I'm out.
Yep. Hey. One right around the corner. No, I'm good.
There's no way he's not hit.
He's out. You're good. Flood it. Just stay low.
Hit.
Yep. Alright. Mr. B! Is that Eddie Valiant?
He is the greatest Israeli soldier the world has ever known.
Hello, hey, hi, what's going on? Before the video continues, just want to let y'all know that my friends at Isotac Airsoft and Gray Market Airsoft are launching a Kickstarter for the polymer version of their Thunderstrike V2 grenade. Thank God. Their old version was 3D printed, but now they're launching a Kickstarter to get a polymer version out there. Their Kickstarter launches on April 3rd, so if you want to show them some love, there's a Google Doc, which lets you get notified when it releases in the pinned comment, or you can scan this QR code to go to the forum right now. I've been waiting a long time for these grenades to be released, so I recommend y'all go out and show them some love, as I am. They would greatly appreciate it. Okay, I'll stop talking. Back to the video.
Where do you want to go? Black variable or one of the other ones?
I'm going to that shack, man.
Which one?
That one dead center, you see it?
No, this white tailish one?
Yeah.
Fuck that, you want to go further, bro.
Jesus. Fine, blue shipping container. How about that?
I'm going to try and get to the brown check after the blue shipping container.
All right. If you make it, I'll follow you. I just need to get I need to hit the dash. I'm gonna see if I can get to those two center spools in the middle and then just hold down the connector.
I'm going to see if there happens to be a goth girl, maybe 5'3", somewhere out there in that area. And I'm going to see if she wants a fat white boy like myself, you know. And If she does, you know what? You'll find me in a shipping container in pieces in the next few weeks.
Certified chase mode.
Fucking kill yourself.
I don't feel any faster than I do with the SEMA. Damn. Hey! Nope. Oh, he doesn't have the range. Watch me though. Maybe he does have the range. I'm shooting the fucking container. Wait for me, Dylan! I think I switched the full auto. Down. Okay, that happened. What the fuck?
Are you serious, my brother?
Okay, my sling just broke. Why are these slings so awful? Okay, I gotta figure something out.
Watch out, right side.
Woo!
I'm not pushing left. That's a bank.
Don't, it's hell. Open window right there. Will it work?
Are you
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go on here and just lay down and just cover that lane.
I'll go a little in front of you.
Okay.
I'll go with you, why not?
Hit.
That did not work.
I didn't work at all.
Have the opportunity to pull up.
Fucking hell, Ray!
Me when I lie. Bands or no bands? Okay. He dead there.
Yeah!
What? Is this poison ivy, dude?
No. What the fuck? Why would there be poison
I
ivy?
don't know, bro.
Hold on, I got an idea. Hold still.
Oh no.
Oh, no,
Oh, do it.
it's stinging me. This is definitely something pointy. Alright, let's get up. Oh, it hurts.
I know, that's what I'm saying.